Nilinaw ng Energy Regulatory Commission na hindi pa otomatikong maiaalis ang hirit na dagdag singil ng Meralco sa Korte Suprema noong nakaraang taon. Ito'y matapos mapagdesisyonan ng komisyon na dapat ibaba ang presyuhan sa spot market. Yan ang balitang hatid ni George Bandola.
Hindi daw basta-basta maapektuhan ang desisyon ng Energy Regulatory Commission ng petition for rate hike ng Meralco bagamat nakabinbin ito sa Korte Suprema. Ayon sa ERC, posibleng ang generation charge lamang ang maaaring maapektuhan, subalit ang kwentada ng transmission charge, distribution charge, subsidy, environmental cost, system loss at buwis ay hindi maapektuhan. Pero depende pa rin ito sa kalalabasan ng isasagawang kompetisyon ng Philippine Electricity Market Corporation na humahawak sa WESM.
The pending petitions in the Supreme Court will involve issues not just the WESM prices but also the way distribution utilities calculate their monthly generation charges. There are also allegations of grave abuse of discretion on the part of ERC, and these issues remain to be outstanding.
I think yung aming petition, since nandyan lang yan, perhaps given these new developments, magkakaroon din ng material impact itong recalculation moving forward na gagawin ng WESM.
Ayon sa ERC, susubaybayan daw nila ang kalkulasyon ng PEMC para maimplementa agad ito sa mga consumer. Paliwanag ng PEMC, bagamat ipinag-utos ng recalculation, marami din daw parameters silang pinagbabasihan bago maglabas ng presyo.
Meron silang tinitignan, meron bang anti-competitive behavior? Then if that is the case, then we really need to establish that. Why? Mas sobra naman siguro or baka too much naman yung excessive profit.
Samantala, sabi ng ERC, walang anumang pressure sa ahensya. Kahit nagpalabas ito ng desisyon na pabor para sa mga consumer, wala daw nag-pressure kay ERC Chair Zenaida Ducut sa panawagang pagbibitiw nito.
There was no one that pressured ERC. ERC is an independent quasi-judicial body. It decides based on the merits of the case before it. And in this particular instance, based on the preliminary findings of its investigatory unit, the ERC found that there is basis to intervene in the market, exercise the state's police power, and nullify the WESM prices that came out.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.